How to improve Wi-Fi connection in Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your Start menu and then search for Run. Open your Run box and then simply type ncpa.cpl and then run it. Now go to Wi-Fi. After that, go to Properties. Scroll down and then find your Wi-Fi, this Internet Protocol version, and now go to its properties. After that, simply go to use the following IP address and then manually put your IP address. The next step is close all these tabs and then search for device manager. Now search for network adapter and then search for your Wi-Fi IPv6 or IPv4 and then update the driver if you have any update and that will fix and your Wi-Fi will be faster. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.